everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got chicken marinara meatballs, and this recipe makes 12. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of ground chicken, eggs, olive oil for cooking, pizza sauce, Parmesan cheese, and it's not in the picture, but you'll need some almond flour as well, green onion for seasoning, pink salt and pepper, oregano flakes, onion and garlic powder, and then you'll need a fry pan, cover, and tongs, a bowl for mixing, kitchen scissors, a tablespoon, and a 1/4 cup. We're going to start by adding in the whole package of ground chicken into our bowl. In that, we're going to add 2 eggs, wash up 2 green onions, and then we're going to cut it up with our kitchen scissors into bite-sized pieces. We're going to go ahead and throw that into the mixture. And then we're going to season it up, but I forgot to add in, it was a 1/4 cup of almond flour or a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You need that to hold the chicken together. Then add heavily pink salt, pepper, oregano flakes, onion and garlic powder. Give it a good mix with your hands. And then let's heat up our fry pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil on a medium heat. Once it's heated, then roll out your meatballs and stick them inside. And we're going to cover this and let them cook. After they cook on one side, go ahead and take your tongs and flip them over. When they're completely cooked, we're going to drain this, put it back on the stove, and add over 1/4 cup of the pizza sauce. Give them a good mix. And then you're going to cover this and turn it on a simmer and just let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes to bring that pizza sauce flavor together. Then they're all ready, and we're going to go ahead and serve up. Add over them Parmesan cheese, and they're ready to eat. Now, I made it into 2 servings, so it was 6 meatballs for me, and the whole pan was 5 net carbs, so right there is 2.5 net carbs, and absolutely delicious, you guys. And you could split it whichever way you want, but I did it into 2 since I only do 1 meal. Make these for your kids. They'll love them. Your husband will love them. Your family will enjoy these very much. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.